to slash away these lives with my chainsaw.